And the crisis is also impacting home buyers in the U.S. The 30-year mortgage rate fell to 3.89% last week after a recent increase, and that could bring down a borrower's monthly payment, making it more affordable. The rate fall could help mortgage applications rebound. And still, with inflation at the highest level in 40 years and the Federal Reserve talking about the possibility of an interest rate hike, some Americans are very nervous about their money right now.
Sure are. News 5's Tracy Carlos found out, though, that's spurring some to turn up the heat on their search for a home.
Teresa Brannon is in the business of turning fixers into fabulous homes.
There's just so much competition out there right now for homes.
Brannon and her husband started Renovate CLE more than 3 years ago. So far, they've flipped 16 houses, but even offering over the asking price and cold hard cash, the competition is fierce.
It used to be really easy to pick up distressed houses because they were sitting on the market for a long time. There wasn't a lot of competition, but now, I mean, we haven't been able to find one in the past. I would say 3 to 4 months.
She's on the house hunt and not alone.
There is more demand than there is supply right now.
Supply has been low with demand high in Northeast Ohio for months now. But now some nervous Americans see real estate as the key to unlocking financial security.
With inflation, with the war, with the pandemic and just the uncertainty of everything, I think putting it in real estate is where a lot of people feel most safe at this moment.
Greg Erlinger, co-leader of EZ sales team at Keller Williams Citywide, says even with the vast majority of houses selling well over the asking price, the threat of climbing interest rates and more buyers using cash than he's ever seen in his career, people are still anxious to sign on the dotted line.
There's a lot of uncertainty, and I think the one thing that the world has watched is real estate continue to just grow and become that safe spot. I mean, for people to park their money.
Until more for sale signs pop up, the fight for a piece of the American dream is expected to continue. In Westlake, Tracy Carlos, News 5.